Tatay po. Tatay po.
What do you say? What do you say?
Open.
Sa truck.
Ito yung food namin, guys. Here's Austin and Lana. Say hi, Austin. Hello. Pots. So, prepare ng food. Sila yung nag-prepare ng food, guys. Ito kami kakain. And another chef right here. Say hi.
Hi.
Say hi. Nahihiya yung chef natin, no?
Excited to see what Pops got you?
And Mima.
What do you say? What do you say?
I like what I got.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Ito na yun. John crabs. Salamat sa ating chef. Yan.
The perfect We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Hi, Austin. What are you eating? Ay, matamis yan, anak. Wag yan, matamis yan. Bye. How do you like the food?
But they're pretty big. They're pretty good size.
Open present.
How do you like the food, man?
Limit oil.
Well, mag-open presents na. Let's go. Austin, say hi.
Hi,
Hi.
I'm here.
When do you want to open the presents? Do you want to open it now? Alright, sing your ABC first.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, W, X, Y, and Z. A, B, C, E. Next time, you stay with me. The wheel that the bus, round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels that the bus, round and round, all through that. See you later.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
And...
Happy New Year.
Wait, where are you going, boy?
But it is like it's very far behind
Huh?
as far as the online.
Mommy.
I don't know. Where's mommy?
For our tips, we
You wanna go find mommy?
okay.
Okay, go.
Oh, yeah. We collect the tips ourselves. We go.
Once more.
Mommy. Mommy. Come back, Mommy. Where are you?
What are you doing, son? Are you opening your gifts?
Hi, Daddy.
Hi. What are you doing?
He opened presents. Wow.
Wow. It's okay. Wow. Let's open it.
Wow.
Look.
Whoa!
What's this?
Like daddy, oh?
What's this, son?
Like daddy.
Sure.
Shoe. Wow.
Another shoe.
Another shoe.
Wow. What's that?
Play-Doh.
He's like,
Wow. Ha?
Sino bullet mo?
Mama!
Wow! Kick the ball.
From Tata and from Lola. From Tata.
Tata, wow!
Wow! Ah, your dream job!
Thank you, Tata.
Ah, ito from Lola and Lolo. Open it, open.
This one.
Wow!
Yung sa ano? Binili natin? Wow! Isa na ba?
Thank you.
Air Jordan.
My dad.
Aba! Akala ko eh! Gaya-gaya! Wow!
Pascal family.
Palulutuin talaga ako ni Mari. Kung may lang pansin. Hindi si Mari kung sabay ka ni Mari mag-open. Oh! Sige, lalagyan ng pansin. Sige, ito. Meron ng pansin. Sige na. Ito. Nakikita ko dyan.
How much?
My sister.
My gift for time.
200? Tag-isa tayo?
Congrats and good luck. Future blank.
Kita tayo. Kay Austin na galing.
Thank you, Good boy. Thank you, Dog.
Kailangan pa ng tumula. Ay, dali mo! Ay, nahulog. Nasira.
Sige, go.
Sige.
Wala paghapon ba?
Wala pa.
Sitin ka na nakatira.
Sorry.
$10.
Ah, wala. Akala ko may laman. No.
Ay, supported na kita.
Astin, where's orange? Go over here.
Pampakuan.
No, don't ask Jay. No.
Ah!
Yes! No. No. Diyan mo nilagay kanina yan eh.
Ano ko?
Yes! Kunin mo $1.
Ang makakuha na isa.
Oh, kuha. Ikaw pa. Pero
Kukunin ko ng $1.
No. No.
So we have
Ikaw sa akin na.
Yes.
Tatlo na lang.
Nakuha, tatlo na lang.
So I have 33%.
No. No. La 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 la. No. No.
Dire!
Yes.
Yes! So, ano?
Oh, may isa ka pa.
Dire!
Yes! Ana!
So, asa ka? 100? Kailan ako sa 5? Sayang ata. Trial ba to? Trial, please.
Trial.
Ready, go. Ay, baka na lang. Ready, go. Ba't makaroon?
Hello?
Let's go!
Wait lang da.
Ready?
Hello?
Stop there.
Ano ba yan? Agad-agad.
Okra.
Isa ba?
Mas gagamay, te.
Paano yan? Paano yan?
Then next na.
Oh, Tata's turn. Tata's turn.
May premium talaga.
Yan, yung may $1, $100.
Hello!
Ano nang ba? Ako? Ako na?
Oh,
Ay,
yeah.
ako sa Carnal.
Oh,
Wala pa. Tama.
Wala.
Favorite niya.
Okra, paborito ni Austin. Hindi man ako
Ni
mapunta.
ano?
Oh my God.
Ay!
Makaroon!
Tama ko na ba yun?
At ko nagkita sa
Madali, 1-1.
May 5.
$5.
Wala!
Bye!
Bye!
Para! Ay, bundan!
May una lang ba?
Ulo na.
Ako, sobra.
Ay,
Oh, in between. In between yan.
Lingon.
Number 7 No, Daisy, wala ko.
Lemon!
Oh my Hanap kayo ba? May community. Kao naman na day. Target. Ay, lemon.
Ano, yun na!
Okay. Ang prize is $20.
Perfume na ni Bay.
Pang bili ng cologne.
T-shirt yun.
Alright. Sa letrang G. Numero 58. Ayan na naman sa letrang O. 64. I. 6 times 3. 18.
Lahat.
Sa letrang O na naman. 66.
Yeah?
66.
Oh, 66?
Yes. Letter G. Edad ni Kuya Donald. 59.
Radyo pa, uy.
Meron.
Oh, 70.
Meron. Wala. Dila, napa kay kulang. Ang free, kaya na may free nga bula. Ngari. Wa pa ni mo nakuha.
Thank you.
Ano na bingo yan?
Bingo!
Palgansi. Tumahos ko. Baka na ako ganyan. Ito si Palgansi.
Uy, otro tabi, aligri lagi din. I like this. Sige, balik tabi.
Yay! This is from Russell. Sir Russell.
Wow!
Look at this gift.
This.
Bango. Ay, labubo.
Ano yan? Ano yan?
Akin na lang yan.
Ay,
Ay,
wow, green.
Tingin.
Favorite color. Cute. It's so cute. Thank you so much.
Thank you, bye. Akin na lang to.
Ba, hindi nakikita ba? Dito ko tumihin. Hindi dyan. Tingnan mo si Jade. Tingnan mo yung mga tingin ni Jade. Mga hawak. I am going to put it in my bag.
Hindi tumutunog.
Hindi tumutunog. Ay, mabigat. It's Austin's turn. Austin's turn. Dali, Austin. That's from Johan. Wow, what's that?
Yay! Meron na tayong
Diaper.
Oh, suot mo na, nak. Suot mo na.
Wow, nice.
Joke lang. Hindi to diaper. Ginujoke lang kayo.
Another card. Wow! Austin.
Let's off.
Pinatataasan yan.
Thank you, Johan.
Ay, thank you, Han.
Ano yung ada?
Hi, guys. So, today, Saturday.
Wow.
Oh,
Oh no.
What's going on?
what happened?
Can you make a gingerbread? Can you make gingerbread?
You wanna do it again?
Okay.
One more time, one more time.
One more. Okay, it's enough. Say bye-bye, bread.
Bye-bye, bread.
Bread to clean up.
I'm going to clean up.
Open, Austin.
Open. Pop statue there.
Wow.
That's Pop's favorite. Ooh, look.
Jet ski.
This is Megatron.
Give it to daddy.
Austin got a scooter from Tito Mark and Tita Yumi. Wow.
Look, what? And this one, sir. Ako yung magdadrive, ikaw yung sasakay ka lang, ha?
Oh. Stop.
Wait lang, sir.
Stop.